are now here in Blue Valley. Yay! May pool sila dito. Pero mag-check-in pa. Ito yung parang desk, ano nila, like, reception. Ayan. Like, sign up ba yung everyone? Wow. Apat na kotse yung dalaw. Si Kulin talaga lagi camera ready. Hi!
Hello!
Yo!
Super dami gamit na lang ko.
Kuya! Baby Sari! My pretty girl! Pretty girl! Yang cute naman ito! Ay, ang ganda naman ng ano na to. Ang ganda ng cute. Ay! Ang cute naman. Yung mga bikes pa, yung mga lola naka-bikini. Wow. Ooh.
For 6. Good for 8.
Punta natin yung beach. Let's go to the beach. Manay-nay! Hindi ka pa bumababa. Hi, Kai! Wala, video. Vlog. Wow! Punta tayo dun. Uy, ang ganda naman nito. Dito yung mga kainan, no? Tapos may taas pa. Tapos may mga tables din here. And another pool. May isa pang pool dito. Wow! Hey, bro!
Hey bro, pwede pala mag-ano dun? Pwede pala mag-break na dun?
Yeah. Yeah? Ooh, lifeguard.
Mas maganda
Yung mga life... Ay, ang cute naman! Wow! Wait. Full bar pala, no? Oo. Doon lang sa gawin na yun. Oh, wow! Ito yung beach namin. Ang ganda! Sino ang gusto ng beach? Si Kai Kai? Ay naman. Check-in na tayo sa room. For our first meal, our snack is spaghetti. Yeah, Kuya Jem is some. And then there's fish fillet and dumplings and baked sushi. Yay! Ito yung pavilion namin. Mga tables. And ito lang yung beach. Yan ang gusto ko talaga kay Kulin, camera ready. Yes. Kumain ka, Kulin. Nene, buti kumain ka muna bago matulog. Video. Hi. 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 Hi sa video. Hi guys. Choy. Choy. Yes. Buying souvenirs. Let's go. Got my earrings from
from RA. Thank you. From Boracay. We're going. Ito yung entrance ng beach from our hotel. Hotel? I would call it a hotel. Ayun pala, may mga souvenirs na dito.
Pwede siya lagyan pangalan mo.
Ayan. Oo.
Hindi ko alam kung ito sa amin mo.
Hindi na ako bibig. May ano ko din. $75 nga. Ah! Kai! Sino kasama mo? Oh, there's Evo and Seb.
And tita.
And Tita Bet. Yeah. Yeah, we can win. Oh, actually no pala. It's from the other resort. But maybe I'm not sure. Mga isda. Ito yung tinitingnan ko kanina pa. Yung necklace, no? Yeah. Kukuha ko ng keychains para kay Daan. Huli mo? Alin? This one? Which one ba? Ito, yung may ganito? 100. Or yung may pearl? Ito? O ito lang? Ikaw, kung ano gusto mo? Yung wala? Ito daw po. 37 ko sa ito.
Meron kong may penda.
Sige, bibili lang tayo po.
Meron kong may penda.
Ano po? Ito yung katabing
Walang penda.
katabing hotel. Yay! We're so... Sisters coded with What? Ate Justine! What? Are you ready to swim? Wala. Pumili ka. Tignan mo kung may magugustuhan ka. Ayun, ma'am. Wala akong magustuhan. Oh, look at the babies. Nagsisip sila. Seri and Kai. Yan si ate. Cute. This is Seri's first time sa beach. Nang siya lang. I mean, nang nakalagay na ano siya sa na baby na siya. Last time na we went sa Bataan, baby pa siya nun eh. I'm not sure last time if naligo din si Seri sa beach. Yan, ma'am! Wait lang. Yes! Oo. Videoan ko muna sila. Ah. Wow, sunset na. Wow! Babies! Oh no. Yan ang mga mamas. What? Sila. Yes, ito na. Yeah. high five! High five! High five! Yay! Apaka-cute naman, strawberry! Wow! So pretty! Eating program. For our dinner, we have skinless and rice. Ma'am, asan yung utensils nandun na? Okay.
I don't know. But it's
It's my rice. Ito na ako kumuha. Kasi nandun ang aming rice cooker. And then yung ulam, dito sa aming pavilion. We actually rented 3 rooms. Dito 16 yung bed. And then yung 12 and yung 11 has like 6. Like, ready for 6. What?
They're still in the room, right?
Where?
Our room.
Church is there. Okay. Let's go here. We have skinless. Papa P getting the skinless. This is Sebby. He's drunk. Sebby, you drunk? He's dizzy. He's very much dizzy. Oh my god. Bro, struggling. Ito be. It's a dragonfly. Good morning. This is our second day. It's the beach. Come on. I'm gonna show you what it's like here in the morning. It's like 7 a.m. Everyone's asleep pa, so let's go. Yeah, good morning everyone. There's the sun. There's the beach. Oh, is that Papa P? Oh, and Mama did. And Mama Lot. Akala ko tulog pa sila. There is we're gonna eat breakfast now. We have rice and hot dog and eggs. Hot dog and eggs. And we have some coffee here. Let's eat na? Yeah. Breakfast. We're eating na. Hi, Kanini. Hi. Morning. Morning. Yeah, swimming na. Let's go swim. So hot. Ayan sila Choi. Let's go there. Ayan sila. Choi! Hi Kai, Seri, Ivo. I'll set it up here.
Wow! What are we having for lunch? Inihaw. What's this? And ano to ma? Yellowfin. My favorite people. Kai Kai. Kai Kai, say hi to my vlog. Kai Kai. Hi to my vlog. Hi. Nene. Hi ka na, Nene. Yan sila. Ate. We're gonna eat na. Sarap. That's my favorite. So, bro, what's that? Is your crab? Hermit crab? Ganda naman ng wawa. Wow, sunset. Oh, hi, hi, hi. Wawa and Nene. Magsiswim tayo sa beach. Everyone's there. Dad, tawag ka po. Wow. Everyone's there. Ayun sila. Oh no. Layo. Hey, Dad. Wow. Napalipad niyo po ba? Yes. Yay. Nag-succeed din. Si Kai Kai nagpe-play sa sand. There's everyone. Mami Beth, Ate Tin, hi. Ayun ang everyone. Dito ako magta-time lapse. Ayan, it's si Seri. Sila lapitan, kaso mabasa yung phone ko. Hi! Layo pala. Nandun sila. Ganda. Kai Kai! Kai Kai! I'm gonna bring this to the ocean. Sana hindi mahulog, though. Ayun sila. Ha? Mababaw lang naman dito, so nadaling ko pa rin yung camera. Yun yung katabi naming beach. And ito yung, resort. And then dito kami sa Brunei. Kai Kai! Kai! Oh my God! Tapang ko mo, dala ko yun. Hindi ko kasi kayo makita eh. Hindi kasi kayo kita sa video eh. Malalim na pala dito. No, doon sila. Hindi ko malapitan.
Oh.
Bawal yan.
Pwede.
Ayan, doon sila. Andun si Seri! Ala, andun sila. Ayun. Layo. Kaya nga, tinataas ko lang dance. Ang lalim na.
Mag-party shell tayo dito. Party shell naman. Party shell. Ay,
Woo! Mama din! Hi! Pwede na to. Okay na to. Nakataas naman eh. Tapang? Hi everyone! Sari girl! Sari, Sari! Swim, swim! Swim, swim! Hi! Swim, swim! Mama dit! Mama dit! Kuya Albert!
Malangoy naman siya.
Wow, wow, wow. Ha? Videohan kita doon. Si Kulin ang magaling eh. Si Kulin. Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, wait lang.
Natatapo na kitang ganan na.
Yun ang sexy naman ng mami ko. Kita-kita sa video. Wait lang, wait lang. Papause ko muna. Whee! Hi! Pakatapang ko talaga. Sinadala ko lang. Ano lang siya.
Nagtahandaan ka, long.
Hey everyone. Ganda naman ang sunset.
Alin? Ate, hawi ka masyadong ano. Hello! Oh, may.
I'm scared. Oh no, Kai Kai! Kai Kai! Oh, wait lang. Wow! Wow, ganda. I don't know. Maybe. Hindi ka suot yung bikini ko. Pause mo muna, pause mo. Baka mo mabuti sasakalin kita. Wow! Everyone! Baby girl! Baby girl! Okay, magta-timelapse na ako ng sunset. Magta-timelapse na ako ng sunset. Dami naman akong video kanina. I'm gonna get you! Ah! 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 Sorry! No! No, sorry! No! No! Balik na tayo sa sand para ma-set up ko na to. Let's go! Let's go!
go get some fish. We're gonna go get some fish. Hasa hasa. Look at that view. Ayun. I'm coming with Papa Tech. Gonna go there. Fresh na huli to. Galing dagat. Medyo madilim lang pero we'll see. Hasa-hasa daw meron eh. 100 per kilo ba or what? Pero something like that. Ito pa lang amoy ko na ang lens. Ayun ang isda. Ayun ang lambat.
Father!
Kumukuha sa ano sa lambat.
Kita lang mo.
Our dinner for tonight is chicken barbecue and rice, and everyone's here. Partially drunk. Mama, Dad, I caught that on video. I caught you on video. You were dancing. You cannot escape.
Wala pa tayong practice na to ah. Wala pa tayong practice na.
Manay-nay. Wow. Dapat na sumali ka sa video yung sa TikTok. Oo, oy, gumagana no. Ay, yun o, nag-practice pa naman si Nene yun. Sari! Hi, baby girl! Let's eat. Do it again. You goofy ah. You're such a goofy ah. What's that? Kai! Kai! Bam!
Eh, akin na yung ano. Ube field. Pillows.
Morning. This is our third day. 12 p.m. ang check-out namin. So go to the beach. We just ate breakfast. It was langganisa and egg. Hindi ako makapag-video. Kasi, I'm gonna go swim na. Let's go. Good morning.
Ay, tara na, swimming.
It's 8 a.m. Medyo late ako natulog. Kaya late ako nagising. They're over there. Sila dyan. Hi, Kai! Sim kami ngayon. Grabe araw. Sobrang init. Yeah. Where you going? Swimming pool? Okay.
Sari!
Yeah, let's go swim. This is our lunch for our third day. Sarap, adobo, and talong bagoong. Na, kain na. Check out kami ng 12. Nene. Hey. Ay, gusto mo na eh. Coke. We are now leaving.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Diretso tayo sa Pampanga? Let's go. Goodbye. Thank you, Blue Valley Resort. It was really nice in here. That's our van. I hope we were able to get some pictures before we leave. Blue Valley Beach Resort, Morong, Bataan. Goodbye. Good night, everyone.
Oh my, she's a long way from suburban towns. Key to the city for the love, got her hurting now. Oh